everyone, in this video I will tell you when you receive a Zoom link, how can you join. So first I will open the link somebody has sent me on WhatsApp. So see, this is the link that I have received. I will click on the link and this page will open. And when this page opens, this is the waiting room. When the host will take me in, this will appear. Now I will write my name down here. I am writing my name Dhwaj. So I will tap and write DHWAJ. And you will press OK. Now when you click, you might have to wait for a bit and then the meeting will start. Now you see, below I can see 5 different icons. First option is join audio. You will see call over internet that appears. It is very important to press call over internet, otherwise your voice will not be able to be audible to other participants. So I will press call over internet. And then I will see something which says allow Zoom to record audio. You will press allow. So now my voice is reaching to all participants. Now see that here is a mute icon. Now when you again press that icon, your voice will mute, which means your voice will not go to the others. Next, see a video option. When you click on it, then your video will start, and when you click on it again, your video will stop. These two options are so important in any meeting. Thank you.